What's up, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Ashake gave me positive vibes only. So today's video, I want to refresh my braids. Like, my braids has been on my head for about a month now, and I just want to refresh it now. Yes, as you can see, guys, the dry scalp, everything like dirty, and also I want to refresh my. If you are seeing this face for the first time, where have you been? Like, yeah. You're welcome, and please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you've been my subscriber, thank you guys for everything, for subscribing and for watching my video. Thank you guys. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you, love you. What I'll be using to refresh my braids. I'll be using a green tea. This is a green tea. I'll be using this, and I'll be using the Blendax shampoo, to clean my scalp, like the shampoo. And also I'll be using the Cantu hydrating cream conditioner to refresh my braids. That's for the wetting and to wash it off, to wash off the dirt and all from my braids. Then after that, I'll moisturize my hair with the Cantu repair leave-in conditioning repair cream. I'll also be using the jojoba oil. That's the cantu tea tree and jojoba hair and scalp oil. I'll be using the anti-fade oil too. That is Amla cantu products too. Then I'll also be using this TCB Naturals anti-dandruff hair food with coconut oil and menthol. So guys, this is what I'll be using to refresh my braids, like to moisturize after using the shampoo and conditioner to clean off my scalp. Then I'll be using those other products to moisturize my scalp by spraying the tea tree. I said tea tree. The green tea, the green tea. I started by spraying the green tea into my scalp. Please don't mind the sounds that you're hearing from outside though. I believe you guys can hear me very well regardless of the sounds that are coming from the outside. I'm done spraying the green tea into my scalp, so I'll massage it softly into my scalp. Then I'll leave it for a while, for just a few minutes. Then I'll add the shampoo next. So I'm going to leave it for a few minutes now. Green tea has been on my scalp for a while now, so now I want to add the shampoo. Then after that, we'll go wash it off. Guys, I just finished applying the shampoo, so I'm going to leave it for a while too, for a few minutes. Then after that, I'm going to wash it off and apply the conditioner next. So I just rinse off the conditioner now. I said the conditioner, the shampoo. So now I'll be applying the conditioner next. Applying the conditioner next. Guys, I'm about to add the conditioner into my hair, my scalp. I'll massage it into my scalp. Conditioner. Feels so good. Just leave the conditioner for about 10 minutes or 20 minutes. Yeah, so for it to sit well into my scalp. Then after that, I'm going to wash it off. So guys, it's been 20 minutes and I just rinsed off the conditioner now. My beads are coming off. Guys, I just finished drying my hair up. Like as you can see, my scalp are all cleaned up. So now I'll be moisturizing it. I'm moisturizing my hair now with the product I showed you guys earlier. Yep, so let's get started. The conditioner, that's the hairdresser leave-in conditioner, the repair cream, cantu products. I'll be starting off with it. Apply it to my scalp. Be applying the TCB Naturals, that's the anti-dandruff hair food with coconuts and menthol, coconut oil and menthol. That's what I'll be applying next into my scalp. It smells so nice. So guys, I'm done applying the TCB Naturals. That's the anti-dandruff hair food. So I'll be applying the Cantu Amla anti-fade oil next to my scalp. Yeah. So guys, I'll be putting this coconut oil. It's a mixture of coconut oil and baby oil into my scalp too. Putting the tea tree and jojoba hair and scalp oil into my scalp now. It's freezing already because of the weather. Guys, I'm done moisturizing my braids. As you guys can see how my hair, my scalp is all shining. It's all shining and looking nice, all cleaned up. Yeah, so this is how I keep my braids cleaned up. This is how I clean up my braids. I freshen up my braids. Let me put it into styling. Let me just tie the braids up. I'm going to use the deep conditioning spray. I'm going to spray it all over the braids. This is how I keep my hair, my braids refreshed. This I make it guys, this is the end of today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. So guys, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't subscribed yet. Why trust me, more great content coming to your screen. So please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and like, comments and share with family and friends. Thank you guys, love you guys. I'm going to see you guys in the next video. Bye.